Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, we are going to see how you can add any MCP server to your Claude Code. So let's get started. First, you need to know whether you are using the Claude desktop app or Claude CLI. Right now, I will show you both of them so you can add any MCP server. So first of all, let's go with the Claude desktop app. Now, to add MCP server, you have to just simply click on this plus icon, and from there you have to go to connectors, and then you have to click on this add connector, and it will show you this add custom connector. You can add your own custom connectors to the Claude. Now here you will see there are some things you have to enter, for example name and remote MCP server URL, and sometimes you have to enter the OAuth client ID and OAuth client secret, but these are optional. So this video I will show you only how to add remote MCP server. So in order to add that, let's suppose I want to add this next level MCP server to my Claude. So I will just go to their MCP page, and then from here you will see this connect on Claude. So for some website it will be a little different, but overall the procedure is same. So right now, as you can see, it is giving me the full tutorial, but I will just scroll down a little bit. So they have given this button, but as you can see, they have given the name and the server URL. So I will just copy the name, and then I will copy the server URL. Just remove this, and that's it. This is what you need to add any custom MCP to your Claude, and then you have to click on this add button. Now let's check whether I have connected our server or not. Now as you can see, let me just check, and right now I guess I have to go into manage server, and there you go, I have added. Then here I have to click on the connect and to sign in with their account. So I will choose my account, and this is how I can connect Nextlev or any MCP server to the Claude. So I'll just give whatever they want, and the MCP server has been added. So the procedure pretty much is same for any MCP server to add in Claude. You need just only a name and the server URL. You need only these two things to add a MCP server in Claude. Now let's move to CLI. CLI will be a little different. You don't need name or server URL. Some of the website will provide the command. You just need to copy this. For example, to CLI, they have given this command. So I will just copy and go to my terminal and paste that command into my terminal and hit enter. So I have already added this server to my Claude Code. So it is showing me MCP server next level already exists in your user config. So let me just show you. So I will type Claude on the terminal and then /MCP, and as you can see, this is the user MCP, which is next level. So to authenticate, I have to just simply click on this authenticate button. It will open my browser like this. I have to sign in with my account, and that's it. Now I have authenticated successfully. So this is how you can add any MCP server to the terminal. So it was very basic, and if you want to add more complex server to your CLI, just comment it down below. I will make tutorial on that. Thanks for watching.